Hey guys, welcome to WatchClickBuy. In 2024, the top contenders in personal blenders deliver exceptional performance and convenience. With powerful motors and versatile cup sizes, these blenders effortlessly handle various ingredients, from frozen fruit to leafy greens. Designed for on-the-go lifestyles, they offer portability and ease of use without compromising on blending quality. If any of the products shown interest you, you will find quick access to purchase them through the links provided in the video description. So, let's go find it out. 5. The Ninja Nutri-Blender Plus may have a small base, but it packs a powerful punch with its 900 watts of power, swiftly blending smoothies in under 30 seconds and creating velvety hummus. Although it struggles with ingredients sticking to the sides during thicker recipes, a quick scrape resolves the issue, showcasing its efficient motor. With 3 20-ounce jars perfect for single servings or family meals, along with leak-proof lids, it offers convenience and versatility. Positioned as a top choice among personal-sized models, it balances affordability with high performance, making it a compact yet powerful addition to any kitchen. 4. Discovering SMEG's retro-styled kitchen appliances is a delight for enthusiasts, and their blender stands out as a top performer. With its distinctive design and efficient functionality, it effortlessly crafts velvety smoothies and tackles tough ingredients like ginger and cashews. The inclusion of 2 speeds enhances its versatility, despite the noise level. While its chic, curvy jars and sipper lids add flair, they can occasionally trap ingredients, easily resolved by adding liquid first. Though pricey, the SMEG personal blender offers unparalleled aesthetics and a range of color options, making it a standout choice for those seeking both style and performance. 3. Despite its low cost and small size, the Nutribullet is a powerful personal mixing system, surpassing many pricier competitors. Their comprehensive collection features different cups, lids, and rings for versatile use and storage convenience. Notably, it impressed testers with its easy cleanup process, and even received praise from a former barista for its simplicity. Worries about leakage are allayed by the secure threaded blade, ensuring mess-free mixing. While its 250-watt motor may have trouble with frozen strawberries, it handles fresh ingredients brilliantly. Overall, the Nutribullet's blend of affordability, performance, and ease of use makes it a standout choice for daily smoothie enthusiasts. 2. The Nutribullet Pro Plus boasts an impressive 1,200 watts of power, effortlessly handling frozen veggies and creating smooth sauces from soft tomatoes. With 24 and 32-ounce cups, along with convenient travel lids and sipping rings, it offers versatility for various blending needs. A standout feature is its automatic cycle, allowing for hands-free blending that frees up time for other morning tasks. This simple yet impactful function enhances the user experience, making it a game-changer for busy mornings. Overall, the Nutribullet Pro Plus excels in power, convenience, and efficiency, making it a top choice for blending enthusiasts seeking quality and ease of use. 1. Nutribullet's range of personal blenders has been rigorously tested, with the Pro 900 emerging as a standout choice for its exceptional balance of affordability and performance. With a powerful 900 watts motor, it easily handles everything from crushing ice to blending kale into a smooth mixture. The inclusion of 2 32-ounce cups, as well as convenient top lids for on-the-go enjoyment, adds to its appeal. Although a quirk has been noted with flip-up covers, their overall fit outweighs this minor inconvenience. Additionally, the availability of separate accessories, such as 18 and 24-ounce cups, provides customization options to suit individual preferences.